What about this color? This is something completely different from what I would do, but I actually like her. I mean, I am growing to love her by the second. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm bringing you another wig review from Gorgeous. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Okay lovies, so I am back with another Gorgeous wig. So I want to give a huge thank you to Gorgeous for sponsoring this video. This unit is the same shaggy haircut curly wig, but it's in the color ginger brown, and I am loving this color. All the information on this unit as well as the link will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing. So we have our Gorgeous box, which is so super cute. Inside the box tells you about the company, and then we have the wig. So what comes with the wig? You get a wig cap, a pouch that says Gorgeous. I love the branding. The branding is so on point with this company. Also, you get a pamphlet with a Q&A, also information on how to take care of your wig. So now let's get into what we're here for, and it's the wig, of course. Now look at this color, look at the curls, look at how bouncy the hair is. I am so in love with this color. Let's get into the construction of this unit. It has 3 combs, one on each side of the wig and one on the back. It also comes with an adjustable strap so you can adjust the fit of your wig. Also, the inside of the wig, there's wefts, so this makes the wig breathable and comfortable. At the crown of the unit, there is lace, so it allows you to have a natural scalp look. So now let's put on our unit and see how long it takes me to do my hair. Let's do a little countdown. This is the quickest install I've ever done in my life, which is why I love a good bang wig. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. She is done, and I absolutely love the color. As you can see in my face, I was shocked. As the shock wore off, I started loving this unit and loving the color. Like I said, it's giving Little Mermaid, and we are here for it. Put me on the island, put me in the ocean, and let me live my best life. I love it. It's giving Rihanna back in the day when she had that whole album with the red hair. Love the hair. I mean, it's gorgeous. If you're looking for a low maintenance, affordable wig, this wig is for you. She is glueless and 20 inches, and she is a premium fiber human hair blend, so you get the best of both worlds. So again, this is the Gorgeous Shaggy haircut curly wig with bangs in the color ginger brown. This wig is super easy to apply. You don't have to have any skills or know anything about wigs to wear this unit, to install this unit. Literally, you just take it out the box, put it on your head, you're done. Let's style this wig. So I'm going to do a low pony with a few curly pieces in the front to give it a little cutesy, effortless look, but a low pony. And of course with the gorgeous bangs and my curly pieces, but I love this cute laid back look. So now I have to accessorize this wig, so I'm going to put on a hat with this unit. So I love the hat with the look of the pony. It gives it something different. I have to incorporate this style when I'm going out, because I usually wouldn't wear a ponytail and a hat, but I actually love the look of it. And so now I'm going to put the hat on. Again, the same hat, just with the hair all out and down. And I love this look. Very, very, very cute. I love the pink hat with the color of this ginger brown. Now I have to try it with a headband. Like I said before, I love to wear my wigs with some type of hair accessory, a hat, a scarf, a headband, and so now I'm styling it with the headband, and I love this look. It's so cute and fun. And again, I think the pink complements the color of this ginger brown. Like I said, this unit doesn't need anything. It can stand alone. You don't need a hat or a headband. This unit is good to go on its own. Comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts on this color. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends. Thanks, lovies, and I'll see you